How to use Verisure UK Home Alarm Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Verisure UK is a leading home security provider, but beginners often make mistakes that compromise protection or overspend. Here's an honest review and guide for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They install alarms without planning sensor placement. The surprising truth is that coverage gaps reduce effectiveness. Map your home carefully, focusing on entry points, windows, and vulnerable areas. Another common mistake is ignoring monitoring settings. Verisure offers professional monitoring and app notifications. Failing to activate alerts or update contacts can delay response times during emergencies. Many users also neglect maintenance. Batteries, sensors, and cameras need regular checks. Ignoring this can cause false alarms or system failures when it matters most. Skipping integration with smart home devices is another trap. Verisure works with smart locks, cameras, and lights. Using these features maximizes security and convenience. Finally, beginners often overlook contract terms. Some plans have minimum periods and cancellation fees. Review terms carefully before committing to avoid unnecessary costs. In conclusion, using Verisure UK properly means planning sensor placement, activating monitoring, performing maintenance, integrating smart devices, and reviewing contract terms. Avoiding these mistakes ensures a secure, reliable, and efficient home security system.